Welcome back to our Fantaskool tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore how to efficiently update multiple student records simultaneously using the bulk update feature. This tool is perfect when you need to modify information for entire classes or groups of students. Step 1. Administrator access. Begin by navigating to the Fantaskool landing page and clicking the Login button. Enter your administrator credentials to access your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Student Management. From your dashboard, locate the Students button in the sidebar navigation and click on it. This opens the comprehensive student management interface. This will open the bulk update interface. Step 4. Select target students. In the new interface, specify which students you want to update by selecting the appropriate class and section. This ensures you're modifying the correct group of student records. Step 5. Choose fields to update. Select the specific information fields you wish to modify. You can choose multiple fields, such as contact information, addresses, or other student details that need updating. Step 6. Edit information. Click Proceed to Edit to begin modifying the student information. Make your necessary changes to the selected fields for the chosen students. Step 7. Save changes. Once you've completed all modifications, click the Save button to apply and store your updates in the system. Additional features: Import, Export options. Notice the import and export features available in this interface. The import feature allows you to upload an Excel file if you've already prepared your modifications offline. The export feature lets you download the updated information as an Excel spreadsheet for your records or further editing. Use cases for import, export. Use import when you have bulk changes prepared in a spreadsheet, and export to create backups or share updated student information with other departments. The bulk update feature streamlines the process of maintaining accurate student records, saving administrators valuable time while ensuring data consistency across your school management system.